How to cancel your Crunchyroll membership. What is up everybody? In this tutorial, I'll show you guys how you can easily cancel your Crunchyroll membership, whether it's your free trial or normal subscription. So let's just get right into the video. The first thing you're going to have to do is log into your account. And in order to cancel your membership, go ahead and click on the account icon at the top right. And once you click on it, this pop-up will appear on your screen. Just go ahead and head over to My Account to manage your profile settings. Once you are here, just go ahead and scroll down until you find your membership info on the left side of your screen, and then click on it. And right here on the membership info, it will show you when you'll be charged to your plan or when your subscription will expire. Right below that, you have an option to cancel membership. Just click on it. And once you click on cancel membership, it will take you to a site where you have an option to cancel premium or premium plus membership. Click on the cancel button. And then the next step here, you're going to have to answer 4 questions. So the primary reason why you are choosing to cancel, then when do you plan to resubscribe, how will you primarily watch anime after you cancel your subscription, and then finally let them know if there are any other comments. So click on submit. And once that is done, your subscription will now be automatically canceled, but you will still have your premium until your free trial is expired or your subscription is expired. That's pretty much it, guys. I hope this tutorial was helpful. I'll see you on the next one.